Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be kicking off the 12 Days of Christmas nail art with this triple red holo gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are from Holo Taco. The lightest red is Coral Chaser. The middle red is Red Licorice. And then the darkest is Crimson Void. And as my topper, I'm going to be using Reflective Taco. I protected around the two accent nails with some liquid latex, and now I'm going to prepare the sponge and then sponge on the gradient. Once I had the final layer of the gradient applied, I went ahead and pulled off the latex, and now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of cleanup around the edges on all of the nails. Now that the cleanup is done, I'm going to top all of the nails with Reflective Taco. Finally, I'm going to finish it off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. The Reflective Taco is a little bit subtle, but I think it adds a nice amount of additional sparkle. The theme for this year's 12 Days of Christmas is accent nails, because since I only just got my new PC, I wasn't able to get a head start on this, and just doing accent nails makes recording the tutorials a lot easier. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can really appreciate that holo. The reflective taco actually pops most in full darkness, which this is not, but you can still catch it kind of sparkling and twinkling in this lighting as well. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, as well as day 2, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to hang out live, you can come follow at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support my content creation here on YouTube, you can join my channel as a member and get some perks such as emoji to use here on the channel. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.